Creating profitable handmade, curved solid wood home decorations requires a unique blend of artistry, craftsmanship, and business acumen. The appeal of such products lies in their aesthetic elegance, the warmth of natural materials, and the individuality that handmade items inherently possess. In an age where mass production dominates, handcrafted wooden decor offers something deeply personal and timeless. Consumers are increasingly drawn to sustainable, artisanal products that reflect both quality and character. And curved solid wood pieces cater to this desire with particular finesse. These items, whether they're sculptural wall hangings, organically shaped shelves, or elegantly bent wood furniture, bring a sense of nature and craftsmanship into the home, turning utilitarian objects into artful statements. The profitability of handmade curved wood home decor begins with the material itself. Solid wood is a premium material that naturally conveys quality and durability. When a piece is made from solid wood, especially types like oak, walnut, cherry, or maple, it immediately suggests longevity and value. Unlike veneer or composite materials, solid wood develops a rich patina over time, enhancing its appeal. The curved aspect of the design adds an extra layer of sophistication and complexity. Bending solid wood into graceful forms, whether through steam bending, lamination, or carving, requires skill and patience. This craftsmanship elevates the product, justifying higher price points and attracting a discerning clientele who appreciate the labor and talent involved. One of the most compelling aspects of curved, solid wood decor is its flexibility. In style and function, it can be minimalist or rustic, modern or traditional, depending on the finish and form. For example, a gently curved walnut coat rack may serve both as a functional entryway piece and a sculptural focal point. Similarly, a set of curved wooden candle holders can evoke Scandinavian simplicity or Japanese wabi-sabi, depending on the design approach. This versatility broadens the market appeal of each piece. Interior designers, homeowners, and boutique hotel curators all seek out such items to create distinctive, inviting spaces. As trends move toward biophilic design and nature-inspired interiors, the demand for organic forms and natural materials continues to grow, making curved wood decor especially relevant.